We will be unboxing the Samsung Buds Pro. I don't know if they're more premium to the Buds Live, but we will see what's in the box, how they look, the finish, and just take it from there. Just gonna move straight onto the unboxing. Welcome back. We will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro today. That is what we'll be unboxing. Let's just see the box. Galaxy, it's got a thingy. I suspect that's for the retail pack when they do send them out. At the bottom they've just got the manufacturing code, what model numbers they are. Let's get straight into unboxing it now. Now look in the back of it, it's saying two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, and the playtime. It is IPX7. Most phones are IPX68 at the moment, so it's IPX7. Sound by AKG. AKG is a subsidiary or a company of Samsung, which you could say is like the Dr. Beats of sound. It's not as smooth as the box opening, I'll tell you that much. Now look in this, it's got this and this. I say this and this, that's a headset, and I assume that's the cable, so let's take the buds out. Let's take this out, and this is the box. That is what comes in the box, as you can see. First of all, we'll be opening this and then going back to the Pros. Dun dun dun. Now let's look at what's in here. Very nicely open. What you will notice is when you're opening the box, you don't know what because you could open it from that side supposedly, but if you look at everything, there is a little slot here to just put your there. Okay, let's go in this and see what is in here. Okay, that's the cable, and they also have something here. Ooh. Interesting. Let's see what this little box contains. Okay, if you look closely, they are the tips where you put them in your ear. The cable, so USB to USB-C cable in here. So it's USB to USB-C. With the phones, you do get a USB-C to USB-C cable. For some reason they have put a USB to, which is fair enough. That is what it comes in. Now, moving on to the buds. Now, looking at the buds, let's get this open. It is a very weird wrapping. This is actually paper. Don't think you tell. It's a nice black matte finish. Sound by AKG. Looking at the case, you've got the charging point there. It is nice and light as well. So just looking at that, opening that, you've got the light there. I assume there's another light here as well. Yes, which goes on when you open and close the case. Now looking at it, the case, they're very easy to get out. The buds are very different to what they've made the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. But they are a different shape, you see. I wonder how they'd sit in your ear. I guess that's for another review. Now taking those out, looking at the buds, they are fairly small. If we just get a ruler, it's fairly small. You can see that. Let's see how easy they are to put back in. Oh, so they have an in-depth hole there. I think you could just about see that. Very nice indeed. And just to recap what's in the box, you first, in this little box, you get the cable and the tips, and obviously in the box you actually get the Buds Pro as well. That's the Buds Pro. That's what you get in the box. Thank you for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next video.